Meditating can help deepen your focus while making you more aware of yourself and your surroundings. This is vital because it lets you calm your mind as you guide your attention to the present. Accepting and engaging with the present may give you a sense of stability, which can help you live a healthier life. Increasing our awareness also allows us to improve how we respond to situations since we understand what's happening internally and externally. This state of mind can help us form more authentic relationships and better appreciate the world around us. If you want to experience meditation, you can relax your body and sit, stand, or lay comfortably. If you choose to sit, it's best to make sure your spine is straight. Your position should allow you to stay comfortable for a set time frame. Decide how long you want to commit to meditation and set a timer. Select one thing to focus on, such as your breath. Avoid controlling your breath and let it find its natural rhythm the longer you sit. If this is challenging, you can instead focus on your heartbeat. Other options include looking at an object or your surroundings, feeling an item, doing an action such as stretching or dancing, and hearing your environment. Once you've chosen what you'll focus on, keep your attention on it. Avoid judging what you're perceiving. This generates ideas that can take your focus away from observing the present moment. Redirect your attention when thoughts arise, which is a practice that will make it easier for you to build the skill of focus. Meditation helps us recenter and refocus our mind when it starts wandering. It's natural to have thoughts even during meditation. Fighting them or getting upset can distract you further and drain your energy. Instead, be patient and use self compassion before guiding your thoughts back to the object of your focus. Some people find it helpful to choose their thoughts to focus on. This may look like repeating a soothing word or a special verse, which is called mantra meditation. Some people prefer to use guided meditations, which focus on visualizing relaxing images or places. This practice requires a guide and meditator. The guide reads a script or uses their expertise to lead the meditator's imagination. A successful session often depends on trust, a calming ambiance, and careful instructions. If you don't have access to a guide or a script, you can try audio tracks of guided meditations. Remember that you can write a guided meditation as long or as short as you like. You can also be as creative as you want with the topic and format. It's most important to create a meditation that is relaxing and enjoyable for you. Here are some tips to write your own guided meditation. Clarify your intention. Do you want to relax, improve your visualization, or connect with yourself? Think about experiences that would help support your intention. Would it help to release the tension in your muscles, one area at a time? Which senses would you like to explore in a visualization? Plan your atmosphere. You can light candles, dim the lights, or lie in the sunlight. You may want to play calming music or nature sounds. Carefully write the scripted instructions. Specify how you want to breathe. It can be beneficial to provide a count for how many seconds to inhale and how many seconds to exhale. Model a few breaths to set a pace for yourself. Include instructions on where to focus your attention and when to close your eyes. Write a script to be the length of time that you would like to meditate. Record the meditation in a calm voice so that you can listen to it when you're ready to meditate. You can also add background music or sound effects to the meditation.